the United States military began major combat operations in Iran.
Prices rise above 5,200. 5 things you must do right now to protect your portfolio and get rich from market volatility. Welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. After watching this video, you're gonna understand how to protect your portfolio using options, and also very important secrets that you can do right now to get rich from gold prices increase. Let's look at the market right now. So right now, the Iran's supreme leader is gone. So basically, there could be some volatility in the market because of geopolitical crisis. And we don't know who's going to be the next leader, and we don't know what retaliation they're going to do to the US. Could there be any other violence or anything in the US that could disrupt the financial markets? And we will just have to wait and see. So S&P 500 was down on Friday 0.43%, and 5 days it was down. Usually stock market is a very good predictor of the future event. They usually foresee the events that they anticipate. So when they anticipate something, they get nervous. So that's why the stock market was up and down for the past few weeks. Actually, the past month it was down 1.4%. Of course, there's also AI fear and stuff like that. But look at this, stock market barely moved for year to date. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Usually, stock market is usually up the first 2 months of the year. Now, it's barely moved. The same with Nasdaq. Look at this, down Friday 0.92%. Also, the inflation data came out. It was hotter than expected. So 5 days it was down, and year to date it's negative 2.4%, down, up, down, up, down. Dow Jones negative 1.05%. 5 days 1.13%, and year to date is positive, slightly positive. But gold prices rise above 5,200. Now it's more than 5,300 right now, because after this event happened, the strike. But you know what? If you know how to make money, you will know how to make money. I made over 11,000 over the past 5 days. Even though the market was barely moving, actually it was down most of the technology stock, and I was making money. So I'm going to show you how you could do that too. Very important. Number 5, don't panic. Okay, most people are going to get panic. This is not World War III or anything like that. This is regional war. Most likely it's going to be done, right? Usually by the rumors, sell the news. So leading up to the event. So when something like this happened, the stock market was down before it happened. After it happens, usually stock market stabilizes and probably go up, because it already becomes the news, not the rumors anymore. So if you said it because it happens, you may be already said it at the bottom. It may be already too late. So don't panic. If you hold great companies, you don't need to sell. Another thing is, learn to use put option very well. Put option very well. So I make money for put option because stock market is going up and down. So how can you use put option? Let's say you have NVIDIA stock, right? I own 200 shares in this portfolio, 173.49 cost, 35,000. So right now NVIDIA is very close to my cost. So I may get nervous. Hey, I don't want to lose money, right? So what can I do? I can buy put option. Let's say I expect NVIDIA to go down, or until May, right? I want to sleep at night very well. So what can I do? I can buy seller May 15, buy put option. I'm ready to lose 170, right? If I don't want it to go down below 170, so I can buy put option 170. I just need to pay insurance price for 1,080. So you just multiply with 100, 1080, 1,080. So this is the cost that you pay to be able to sleep well at night. So what does it mean? Buy put option at 170 strike price, especially May 15. It means that on or before May 15, I'm able to sell my NVIDIA shares, 100 shares. If I buy one put option, 100 shares. If I buy two put options, that will be 200 shares at 170 strike price. Anytime I can sell them. Of course, I'm not going to sell them at 170 when the stop price is 176 or 77. I will probably only sell them when it's below $170. $170, right? That's the point of insurance. So once I buy it, I can sleep at night. So if the stock crash to zero, let's say NVIDIA goes bankrupt, which is unlikely. So let's say it goes bankrupt on zero, hey, I'm still gonna be able to sell my shares at $170, 200 shares, right? Easily. I'm very protected, so I don't have to worry about it. So that's a way to protect your portfolio during the market downturn, temporary downturn. If you expect it until May. Hey, let's say if you expect it until June, you can buy June. If you expect very short term, this will go away right away. You can choose April 17, 47 days, right? So very simple, just based on your experience, then you make a prediction. So how do you get experience? By subscribing to this channel. The more you learn, the more you earn, the more experience you get. Very, very important. So you have to do it every day consistently. So that's very important. That's fourth thing you have to do right now. The third thing you can do right now is to buy a gold trust. Of course, this is not financial advice. I'm just teaching you what you can do. These are the options that you have. You have to do your own due diligence to buy, hold, or sell any of the stock or ETF that you like. Personally, this is one of my favorite gold trusts, gold ETF, whatever, right? So one day it's up 1.31%, 5 days it's up 1.92% over the past 5 days. Year to date, it's already at 22%, even though S&P 500 barely moved year to date. And Nasdaq is down. Dow Jones barely moved. Gold is proving to be very good investment year to date so far, right? The past 5 years it beat S&P 500, but remember there's always a time that gold may not move at all. 2013 to 2019 it barely moved, very normal, barely moved. This is only for a store of wealth. When there's high inflation, gold moves higher. When there's uncertainty, it moves higher. So this is really good for uncertainty, but it's not a protected asset. Protected assets are stock. Protected assets are stock. So S&P 500, if you look at the past 5 years, it's moving up. Yeah, it went down a bit, but it moved up. But you don't see so much of flat period, flat period for compared to gold. Compared to gold probably you see about more flat period over the past 5 years. Only the last 1 year or so, it just went up, right? It just went up, especially starting from 2025. Look at this, it just went up. So yeah, I personally prefer stock because it's more protected asset, right? Maximum, I can get dividend as well. Nasdaq, look at this, the past 5 years, yeah. Maxima, look at this, yeah. And let's look at number 2. We could buy silver. Silver is even more volatile than gold. 5.64% within 1 day. Gold is only up 1.31%. So 5 days, 8.45%. Year to date, look at this. Year to date, 29.26%. 30%, close to 30%. Silver, 5 years, yeah, very easily. Silver was flat for a long time. If we got it earlier, very great. Silver crashed this year before, so I made money on silver crash. You can go and watch my video as well. If you want to learn, I made a few thousand on silver trust. You can go to video right here. How to profit why others panic, or this one. How I traded 3,816, why silver crash. So I made 3,816 this video. And you can go to playlist to search for gold investing as well. So I add them, stock investing, call option, put option, advanced option, and day trading with stock and gold investing as well. So that's what you can do. Number two. Number one is probably very, very important. Number one is going to be invest in rare earths. That's what we can do. Because AI requires rare earths. AI also requires silver. Now lots of people are going to lose their job. Now fresh graduate, they're going to lose their job because the AI replaces their job. They don't need companies don't need to hire them anymore. You will see lots of new companies lay off people. So, but if you own AI or if you own resources that AI need, you probably don't need to worry much. Okay. So rare earth is something that AI need. Electronics, EV, they need rare earth. And silver is industrial use as well. Silver is more useful than gold. That's why I like silver more, because it's present in all electronics, because this is the best conductor of electricity. Silver, refrigerator, microwave, EV, electric vehicles, satellite, phone, you name it, it has silver. Yeah, silver. Then number one will be invest in rare earths. China is the monopoly right now. So US has been investing heavily into manufacturing rare earths because they don't want to get left behind. So if you own rare earth resources, then you can be at the top. If you want to learn more, go to Master Risk Stock Option Crypto, go to playlist. If you want to reach out to me, you can comment down below. The link will be in the description and comment down below. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.